Hello there, my bamboo friends. I'm sitting here with the hot end, the nozzle of a P1P. This is a 0.4. You will notice it's black, so it's the hardened steel. I took everything apart and saw nothing happening. Then I noticed this. I don't know if you can see it here on camera, but there is in fact a piece of black filament stuck inside the hot end here. Now those of you know that because this was hot when it was printing, that the filament is here in the nozzle and now hardened and stuck. So I need to get this out. I was thinking of a way to heat this up and then push the filament through and out the nozzle. That's when I remembered I have this fun little toy that was sent over to me several months ago called the No Clogger. And I repeatedly dismiss it, yet it has saved me no less than 3 times. It's basically a needle that you push through the throat of the hot end to get the filament out. I figured this might be a good opportunity to go ahead and give this a try. Originally, I was just going to swap this out and put a new one in, but I wanted to go ahead and see if the No Clogger can save it. So, without further ado, I'm going to try the No Clogger right now. Wow! And there it is. The entire clog. The entire clog pushed out by the No Clogger. Fantastic. Say what you will, but my No Clogger is undefeated. Link is in my description to get one for yourself.